Jüri Ratas is an Estonian politician who was the 18th Prime Minister of Estonia from 2016 to 2021. He has been leader of the Centre Party since 2016, and was the mayor of Tallinn from 2005 to 2007. Jüri Ratas' first cabinet was in office from the 23rd of November 2016 to the 29th of April 2019. It formed when Social Democrats and the Union of Pro Patria and Res Publica joined the opposition's no confidence vote against the previous cabinet and switched the Liberal Centre-Right Reform Party with the Estonian Centre Party. Jüri Ratas' second cabinet was active from April 2019 to January 2021. It has been notable for its share of public scandals, resignations of ministers and the number of public apologies from Ratas, mostly connected to the activities of the nationalist and right-wing populist EKRE party, a coalition member. His tenure has also seen the national budget of Estonia moving to deficit after years of being in surplus. According to a national poll conducted in November 2019, Ratas was the preferred person for the seat of the Prime Minister in the country for 36% of voters, the highest in the poll. In January 2020, his coalition was supported by a quarter of the electorate. Ratas resigned as Prime Minister on 13 January 2021 after the Prosecutor General of Estonia suspected the Centre Party of criminal involvement in an influence peddling scandal involving businessman Hillar Teder. Ratas stated that he had no knowledge of the alleged affair and had committed no wrongdoing, but resigned to take political responsibility for the scandal. He remained as the head of a caretaker government until a new coalition was formed. On 26 January, Ratas' second cabinet was superseded by Kaja Kallas' cabinet. He acted as the vice president of the Riigikogu from 2007 to 2016 and mayor of Tallinn from 2005 to 2007, attaining the post at age 27. As a mayor of Tallinn, he initiated the European Green Capital Award program. In the 2015 Estonian parliamentary election, Ratas was re-elected to the parliament with 7,932 individual votes. In March, he was elected as the second deputy speaker of the Riigikogu. On 5 November 2016, Ratas was elected to succeed Edgar Savisaar as the leader of the Centre Party. After Taavi Rõivas's second cabinet split in November 2016 due to internal struggle, coalition talks began between Centre Party, Social Democratic Party, and Pro Patria and Res Publica Union. On 19 November, the three parties agreed on the conditions of Ratas' first cabinet. Ratas was sworn in as the Prime Minister of Estonia on 23 November. After 2019 parliamentary election, Ratas turned down an offer from the Liberal, election-winning Reform Party for coalition and instead entered into talks with the conservative Isamaa and the often considered as far-right EKRE. On 17 April, Riigikogu granted Ratas the authority to form the government and remain Prime Minister. These talks resulted in the formation of Ratas' second cabinet in April 2019. During his tenure, the national budget of Estonia went into deficit after years of being in surplus. This drew widespread criticism, notably from the European Commission and the Estonian Central Bank. On 9 March 2018, after Poland's referral to the European Court of Justice, leaders of Latvia, Lithuania and Estonia expressed their support for Poland over the Article 7 of the Treaty on European Union. Ratas said that, any problems related to voting and taking away the right to vote, I do not think that it should happen at all. It would be a step too far. In the elections of 2019, the party of Ratas, the Estonian Centre Party, lost support while the oppositional, Liberal Estonian Reform Party, gained support and became the largest party by parliament seats in Estonia. After the elections, Ratas turned down an offer by the Reform Party for coalition talks and entered into talks with Isamaa and EKRE, the latter being widely considered a far-right party. Ratas had previously ruled out forming a coalition with EKRE during the election campaign because of its hostile views. When I said before that it would be impossible for me to cooperate with a political party which cuts heads off, doesn't agree to certain nationalities or races, then EKRE has indeed said those things. The subsequent reversal of his stance and the inclusion of EKRE by Ratas in coalition talks after the elections was met with local and international criticism. In a poll conducted after the start of the coalition talks, The party of Jüri Ratas further lost support. The critics of the decision have claimed that Ratas is willing to sacrifice his party's values, the confidence of his voters in the stability and reputation of the country to keep his position. As Prime Minister, Ratas has counted that his first duty is to look for ways to get his party included in the government to be able to work in the benefit of his voters, and that the coalition would continue to firmly support the EU, NATO and would be sending out messages of tolerance. So,